3 rules of a great property are location, location and location. 22 Settlers Way has all that and more. Benton Square Shopping Centre at its doorstep and great local schools. But let me take you inside and show you what inside has to offer. This open plan living room brings the whole family together around this brand new, beautifully designed kitchen. With 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in robes. There is outdoor dining just in time for entertaining this summer. It's positioned on a great elevated corner block that leaves plenty of yard for pets and children to play. As you can see, this is a beautiful property and it's available for you to view this Saturday. If you have any questions or would like your own private viewing, please feel free to get in touch with any O'Brien team member.